In the previous tutorial video, we have measured levels of a building directly from a laser scanner point cloud, floor, ceiling, and roof. Now we want to add walls. Naturally, this works not only with our house, but in any application that comes with vertical walls. With the function createWalls, we create walls in PointCab for Revit. In the dialog box, we define the lower and upper level, which will limit the wall in its dimension. If necessary, we may also add an offset to the floor or ceiling. In the last step, we select the appropriate wall type. Then we switch to Measure in PointCab in the default layout automatically generated. In case of a multi-story building, we could also use a cross-section of the level we want to measure. In PointCab, the button for CAD and the 3D points in Revit must be enabled. We imagine we were standing in front of the wall and always have to measure from left to right. Having said that, we click left on the wall surface and go to the right. Keep on doing that until the entire area has been measured. In Revit, we already see the walls exactly as we have been measuring them. Here, we need closed walls and therefore select Finish for the closed room. Revit then automatically connects all the walls to a room. Additional walls we measure by again starting with the function createWalls. Again, we measure from left to right. This time we have the case of individual walls and not a specific area or room, so we end the dialog with Close. In order to connect the walls, we let Revit show us the standard functions. Using the Change button, we activate the tool Clip Expanding. Then we select the boundary edge and then the wall. Now these walls are connected. In case we have to adjust the wall thickness individually, we use the function setWallThickness via the pick point. First, the wall is selected in PointCab. Secondly, we measure the wall thickness. Keep on doing that, select the wall and then the thickness of the wall. With the setWallThickness selection, we can also enter a value for the wall thickness. We can also align the walls at the right angles to one another. First of all, we make the default setting, the tolerance within which angles are to be adapted. The default setting is 2 degrees. Walls with a greater angle deviation are not aligned. We now select the wall function alignment and the method 1 by 1. We then simply click on the desired wall segments. With multi-selection, we can align an area and also the walls in one step. Here, too, the walls remain unchanged with an angle above the set tolerance. In our next videos, we will take a look in how to further place and fit elements, windows, doors, and passageways precisely.